Want to create your own Gmail account so you can send and receive emails or access Google services like YouTube, Drive, and Docs? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a new Gmail account step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and lets me keep making simple tutorials like this one. All right, let's get started. First, open any internet browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and go to gmail.com. Once the page loads, click Create Account at the bottom. You'll see options for personal use, a child, or work. For this example, choose for personal use. Next, you'll see a form where you'll enter your first name and last name. After that, click Next. Now, enter your birthday and gender, then click Next again. Here, Google will ask you to choose your new Gmail address. You can pick one from the suggestions or type your own custom address. If the one you want isn't available, try adding a few numbers or symbols. Once you're happy with it, click Next. Now it's time to create your password. Make sure it's strong and secure. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm it, then click Next. Google may ask for a recovery email or phone number. This step is optional, but it's a good idea to add one so you can recover your account if you ever forget your password or get locked out. Once done, click Next. You'll now see a summary of your information. Check that everything looks correct, then click Next. After that, Google will show you some privacy and personalization options. You can review them or choose quick setup to move faster. Then click Next. Finally, scroll through the terms of service and privacy policy, then click I agree. That's it. Your new Gmail account is now ready to use. You'll be taken straight to your inbox where you'll see a welcome email from Google. You can click your profile picture at the top right to view your email address, add a photo, or customize your account settings. From here, you can send your first email, organize your inbox with folders, set up labels, or even connect your Gmail to your phone for quick access on the go. Gmail automatically saves your contacts and syncs with other Google apps, making it super convenient to use across devices. If this quick tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to videos. It really supports the channel and helps others find this guide too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.